everyone, a warm welcome. You've tuned in for India Business Day Plus. Now on IBD, India Business Day, we gave you the headlines. On this show, we're going to go beyond the headlines to give you just that little bit extra news you can use. Well, starting off first then with, talk about scooters actually. You know those distances when it's just too close to drive and, well, too far to walk. Now, this might be an answer to such kind of a situation. Segway scooters are all set to scoot into India. So let's have a look.
A self-balancing two-wheeler scooter like this one does look fancy to ride around. It's easy, fun and convenient. Bird Group is all set to launch Segway personal transporter in India through a nationwide distribution partnership with Segway. Bird Segway is not just an advanced tech machine but also eco-friendly and energy efficient. After showing us how simple it is to ride this device, Ankur Bhatia from the Bird Group tells us about this two-wheeled electric vehicle.
In terms of transporting, getting into areas, for example, patrolling, it can get into areas where other people can't get, other vehicles can't get into. It can get you from your desk to your shop floor. So those things are very unique to this particular transportation device.
And in just about 5 minutes, you can be trained to ride your personal transportation. The device changes directions based on the user's shifting center of gravity. Maneuvering is done by leaning your body in the direction you wish to go. But where can this fancy gizmo fit?
We are looking at it as a B2B marketplace. We are not looking at to get it to the streets as of now because the streets aren't ready enough. So we're looking at closed environments, campuses, airports. We are looking at other complexes, tourist complexes generically there.
If you charge for 12 hours, it'll take you around for 60 to 65 miles. It can also go up to a speed of 25 km per hour. It will be retailed from Bird offices and will cost you around 3 lakh rupees. And this super scooter is sure worth the try.
Well, I don't know how feasible it is to ride it on a road, what with the pollution, the congestion and also the heat. But I'm sure it will work wonders in places like hospitals, airports and huge industrial areas. And I can think of a perfectly cool place to work this out at, a shopping mall. Nazia Iqbal, Bloomberg UTV, New Delhi.